Now, welcome to IELTS Slowcast with Tawfeeq. Slow English for smart learners. These podcasts help IELTS students build clear speech and natural language for the exam. Level Beginner. Theme Everyday Life. IELTS Focus. Speaking Part 1. People and Relationships. Target vocabulary: friendly, helpful, kind, patient, generous, serious, talkative, polite, neighbour, colleague, relative. Many IELTS questions ask, "Tell me about the people around you," or "Who do you spend time with?" Today you will learn how to describe family, friends, and people you meet every day. I live in a quiet neighbourhood where most people know each other. My closest neighbour is Mr. Ahmed. He's very friendly and always says hello when he sees me in the morning. He's also helpful. If someone needs tools or advice, he's the first to help. At home, I spend a lot of time with my family. My sister is kind and patient. She helps me stay calm when I'm busy. My father is a bit serious, but he's also generous and likes to share his knowledge with everyone. My mother is very talkative. She loves to chat with our relatives on the phone and tell funny stories. At work, I have a few colleagues who are polite and easy to work with. We often have coffee together and talk about our plans for the weekend. The people around me make life more interesting. They teach me to be kind, respectful, and helpful. Good relationships make everyday life easier and happier. Let's look at some important words. Friendly, someone who is nice and welcoming. Example: my neighbour is friendly. Helpful, someone who likes to assist others. Example: she's always helpful to new students. Kind, caring and gentle. Example: he is kind to animals. Patient, can wait calmly without getting angry. Example: teachers need to be patient. Generous, likes to share or give. Example: my friend is generous with his time. Serious, not joking much, focused on important things. Example: my boss is serious at work. Talkative, likes to speak a lot. Example: my mother is talkative and cheerful. Polite, uses good manners, says please and thank you. Neighbour, a person who lives next to you. Colleague, someone you work with. Relative, a family member. When you answer IELTS Speaking. Part 1 questions about people. Combine description and example. For example, my best friend is friendly and generous. He often helps me with my studies. We spend time together on weekends and talk about our plans. Add a reason to sound even better. I like him because he is honest and patient. He always listens before he gives advice. Now it's your turn. Repeat slowly after me. I live in a friendly neighborhood. My neighbor is friendly and helpful. My sister is kind and patient. My father is serious but generous. My mother is talkative and funny. My colleagues are polite and easy to work with. Now answer these questions aloud. Who is the most helpful person you know? Do you prefer talkative people or quiet people? Why? What qualities are important in a good friend? Here is a short sample dialogue. Examiner, tell me about a person you spend a lot of time with. Candidate, I spend a lot of time with my sister. She is very kind and patient. When I feel stressed, she listens to me and gives good advice. We often cook together and watch movies at home. Examiner, do you think it is important to get along with your neighbours? Candidate, yes, it's very important. Friendly neighbours can help each other and make the community a better place to live. Today you learned useful words for describing people: friendly, helpful, kind, patient, generous, serious, talkative, polite, neighbour, colleague, relative. You also learned how to give examples and reasons to make your answers sound more complete. The best IELTS answers are simple, clear, and personal. That's the end of today's episode. Thanks for listening to IELTS Slowcast with Tawfeeq. Replay this episode and shadow the sentences until your speech feels smooth and confident. Next time, my free time.